Guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, Julius Malema, he has finally exposed himself again, and this time around, it is because Malema has not attended eh, the evidence presentation by Mary DeHaas. Julius Malema is picking and choosing when to appear and when not to appear. So when Julius Malema is not appearing, it's so suspicious. First it was General Sibia, he didn't appear there, and it raised a lot of questions, about the connections between Malema and Sibia, and people found something, Now this time around, it is Julius Malema skipping the evidence presentation by Mary DeHaas, and there is no reason why he has skipped. No communication from the EFF whatsoever. Why Malema has not attended. So you see why Malema skipping these evidence presentations. Why it's so important is because the others like David Skosana from MK, from Action SA, they are not skipping. They are always there. But Julius Malema, very, very questionable. I'll catch you guys on the next one.